What stands out to me the most about how this space has come together is the fact that it just flows really nicely. The goal was to build a space that people did want to comfortably work in and enjoy working in, and the design around that has just worked really well. My name's James Pridgeon. I'm the Director of Steel Window Design, and we're here at our new showroom space and factory in Preston, Victoria, Australia. Here at Steel Window Design, we manufacture steel windows and doors. We've been doing that for the last 11 years, and we pride ourselves on the fact that we can build everything locally here with local products. What sets us apart as a business is the fact that we're an end-to-end business. From design to manufacturing to installation, we handle it all with our skilled craftspeople that make our product absolutely beautiful. We'd continually grown our business over the years, and we wanted a space, a singular space, where clients could come in and see everything in situ. So they could see pivot doors, sliding doors, hinge doors, windows. So we want people to walk in and feel like, wow, I can see the back of my house looking like this. We really wanted to create that space where people could come in and imagine themselves living with steel windows and doors. When we were designing this space with Büro Architects, the identity we were hoping to achieve here was to have clients understand that what we do is made locally. And so it's a really nice thing to be able to stand in our showroom and see trucks coming in and out, steel being unloaded. You can see the windows and doors being pre-fit with the correct hardware. And I think that gave clients the confidence and ability to see what we were doing and what we're proud to do. We put so much attention to detail into it. We want people to be able to see that when they come here.
Working with Steel Window Design was a dream collaboration. The challenge of the brief was really combining their three spaces, so the manufacturing, the showroom, and also their office spaces. We knew that it was really important to centre the manufacturing process in the concept for the design. And so we started by forming this sort of floating linear volume for the showroom and the office space that connected and could look down into the fabrication space. One of the key challenges and opportunities with working with Steel Window Design is that they have such a large suite of products and they can be used in both residential and commercial spaces. And we wanted to make sure that we could show all of those products in the best light. Designing this courtyard space, the connection to the outdoors was really important. So we work with Steel Window Design on this large bank of automated windows, and that really allows fresh air to flow into the space. Then we move through into the more domestic space of the showroom, which is starting to introduce softer materials like the sheer blinds. We've also got the beautiful rich marble and the lime wash paint. And then the office environment is about creating something that's a bit more vibrant and a bit contrasting to those spaces. So that's where we're introducing a little bit more colour and also some other materials like the OSB ceilings. Working through the design process, we knew they made beautiful steel doors and windows which were able to feature through the spaces, but they also really showed their capability and craftsmanship with the grand stair when you first walk into the entry.
Here at Steel Window Design, I'm passionate about sustainability. When we designed the space, we wanted to ensure we had solar panels. Another thing is recyclability. Our product is something that can last a very long time, and it has already had a life cycle before it's been made into a steel window or door. We want to offer our clients a choice for something that's sustainably made, responsibly made, and locally sourced. We've had some really positive feedback from our visitors since opening the space. From the outside, everyone sort of says or thinks that, oh, it's a factory, it's just a factory space. And once you walk through those entrance doors, you're in this really beautiful, well thought out, curated space. I think that creates this wow factor, and I think that's the feedback we've overwhelmingly had from people coming in not expecting to see what they see behind the front doors, and we love that. We won't get tired of that one. Having this new space will allow us to grow our business further, whether it be adding equipment, more products in our showroom, adding a whole nother showroom. It's something that really excites us, and I think this space, having it all come together, is just the beginning for what we want to do next, and it's very exciting.